In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excalidraw in VS Code. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google and you want to type in Excalidraw VSC or VS Code, whatever you want to do. And then there's going to be a website. It's going to be marketplace.visualstudio.com and it's simply going to say Excalidraw. So click on that. And then once you're on the website over here, it says install. Just click on install, and then this will of course prompt you if you want to open Visual Studio Code. So of course first you must have VS Code installed onto your computer, and then once you do, click on open Visual Studio Code, and this will open up over here their extension page. Now here, what you're gonna want to do is click on install. And then this is going to start installing. There we go. In just a few seconds, this has now been added. And then over here on the left, you can see the extensions. And inside the extensions, you can see Excalidraw. Now, to actually start using this, it's going to be very simple. The first thing you have to do is you have to copy any of these over here. So .excalidraw, the one that has the JSON, the SVG, or the one that has the PNG. Okay, so it's going to be completely up to you. I'm just going to open up the default one so you can copy either of these. Control C, you can copy that, or just right click copy, whatever you want to do. And then to actually start this, go up here, click on File, top left, click on New File. It's going to open up the search box, just paste this in, and then it's going to say create new file, which is built in, and then you want to press enter on your keyboard. You want to select where you want to put it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it into my downloads folder. I'm going to do create file, and I'm going to replace it because I have one already. And as you can see over here, this is then going to start loading. Now, for me and for you likely as well, it's going to start loading, and it's going to be loading for a while. If that does happen, and this line just keeps on going, so the blue one, and actually nothing happens, what you're going to have to do is you actually want to close down VS Code like this, and then you want to open it back up again like this. And then you should see in here, there we go, as you can see, it's now loaded up, and then you can start using it directly inside VS Code. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.